Welcome to part 2 of our in-depth video review of the Quran. Today we ask, what is the Quran? The Quran is the holy book of Islam, considered by Muslims to be the literal word of God, Allah or Ilah, as revealed to the Prophet Muhammad through the angel Gabriel. It is written in classical Arabic and is divided into chapters called surahs and verses called ayahs. Structure and content. Surahs. The Quran consists of 114 surahs which vary in length and are traditionally arranged from the longest to the shortest. Ayahs. Each surah is made up of individual ayahs or verses. There are over 6,000 ayahs in total. Language. The Quran is written in a rich and poetic form of classical Arabic. Many Muslims consider the original language of the Quran to be central to its meaning and recitation. Themes. The Quran covers various themes including 1. The oneness of God in their decree in order for you to become a Muslim. You have to verbally confess that there's only one God, Allah. There is no other. He has no other, he has no equal, he has no begotten son, no son of God. There's only Allah and the one Prophet, Muhammad. If you don't believe that, you can't become a Muslim, apparently. So it emphasizes the oneness of God, emphasizing the monotheistic nature of Islam. 2. Prophethood. Narratives about previous prophets, including Adam, Noah, Abraham, Moses and Jesus, highlighting their messages and experiences. 3. Law and guidance, providing legal and moral guidelines for personal conduct and social justice. 4. Afterlife. Descriptions of the Day of Judgment, heaven, Jannah, and hell, Jahannam. 5. Worship and devotion. Instructions on how to worship God, including prayers, fasting and charity. Recitation and memorization. Tajweed. The rules for correct pronunciation and recitation of the Quran are called Tajweed. Hifz. Many Muslims memorize the entire Quran, a practice known as Hifz. Hope you say it properly, correctly. Not too sure. We don't know Arabic. Hifz. And such individuals are given the title Hafiz. Historical context. Revelation. The Quran was revealed over approximately 23 years, beginning in 610 CE, before the Christian era, Christ era, when Muhammad was 40 and continuing until his death in 632 CE. Compilation. After Muhammad's death, the Quran was compiled into a single book form during the Caliphate of Abu Bakr and then standardized under the Caliph Uthman. Some say Ottoman. Significance in Islam. Guidance. The Quran is considered the ultimate source of guidance for all aspects of life and is central to Islamic teachings and law. Daily life. It plays a central role in daily worship practices, including the 5 daily prayers. Translations and interpretations. Translations. The Quran has been translated into many languages, but the original Arabic text is considered the authoritative version. Tafsir. Islamic scholars have written extensive commentaries, tafsir, to explain and interpret the meanings of the Quranic text. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon for updates on our latest content. Then share this video and our other videos with others, your family, your friends, or you love, your neighbour and others. Join us for part 3 of our in-depth review of the Quran. Don't miss it for all the world.